Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Philips Hue app for Scene Sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, you'll see the welcome screen. Tap on the login option to proceed. Enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure to use the email associated with your Philips Hue account. Next, input your password in the password field. If you forget your password, tap on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your device for the verification code. Input the code into the app to continue. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the Philips Hue app. From here, you can access various features, including scene synchronization. To sync scenes, navigate to the Scenes tab at the bottom of the screen. Choose the scene you wish to sync with your lights. Follow the prompts to select the lights you want to include in the scene. Adjust the scene settings as desired for the best visual effect. After finalizing your selections, tap on Save to apply the changes. You're now ready to enjoy synchronized lighting with your chosen scenes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.